Welcome dear viewers to the video on BCS class 1 drugs. This video will provide you the overview regarding BCS class 1 drugs. So as per the BCS classification, 4 classes are there. BCS class 1, 2, 3 and 4. So out of these BCS class 1, these drugs have high solubility and high permeability. High solubility means the highest dose strength is soluble in 250 ml of media or less in the pH range of 1.2 to 6.8, and these have high permeability. That means more than 90% of the drug is absorbed into systemic circulation by the oral route. So these are highly permeable. Examples of BCS class 1 drugs are metoprolol, paracetamol and propranolol. So many other examples you can find for these BCS class 1 drugs. And BCS class 1 drugs can be formulated into different formulations like immediate release or extended release or sustained release. And comparatively, the BCS class 1 drugs are easy to manufacture into the formulation because there is no requirement of solubility enhancement in the BCS class 1 drugs. So key characteristics of the BCS class 1 drug are these are the rapid dissolution is there in the GI fluid, and these molecules easily permeate into intestinal membranes. There is a complete absorption, so not dissolution or permeability limited. That's why you can consider these molecules as highly permeable and comparatively more bioavailable than the other type of drugs. Complete absorption is there, and there is no limitation on the dissolution and permeability. Also, bioequivalence risk is low for these molecules. Minor formulation changes rarely impact the bioavailability of BCS class 1 drugs. In vitro dissolution correlates with in vivo performance. So IVIVC is good for the BCS 1 drugs. Regulatory implications eligible for biowaivers as per ICH M9 and FDA guidance. Simplifies generic approval process, reduces need for in vivo B trials. There is a biowaiver for the BCS class 1 drugs formulated into immediate release type of dosage forms. Advantages for the development: there is a faster development advantage for BCS class 1 drugs, faster generic approvals, lower cost and time investment, and focus on stability and patient compliance. So if the formulation is stable, if the product is robust in the manufacturing, then directly the fast track of development and approval can be taken. This is the important consideration for BCS class 1 drugs. Potential risk. So as we have seen the advantages, there are some risks also. Poor manufacturing controls, poorly soluble polymorphs or salts, excipients affecting GI transit. These are the risks for these type of formulations. BCS class 1 drugs are ideal candidates for biowaivers if dissolution is rapid and formulation is IR. Low B risk due to rapid dissolution and high permeability. These ensure strict regulatory criteria are met for the successful approval. So you can directly go for the bioequivalence studies also for the BCS class 1 drug formulations in immediate release type of dosage forms. This is the information on BCS class 1 drugs and formulations and overview on this. Thank you.